All right, so I got a 10-minute break. Time for more math. You can find the volume of an irregularly shaped solid object by completely submerging it in water and calculating the volume of water the object displaces. Yeah, this is basic science. They teach this at a young age. I remember learning this probably 6th, 7th grade. You completely submerge a solid object in a rectangular tank that has a base of 40 by 30 and is filled with water to a depth of 20. The object sinks to the bottom and the water level goes up by 25 hundredths of a centimeter. What is the volume in cubic meters of the object? So it goes up by 25 hundredths of a centimeter. That's the height. This thing was 40 by 30. So this is the height. The height is 25 hundredths. Then we have the length and we have the width. So a quarter of 40 is 10, and 10 times 30 is 300. That's really all there is to it. Easy problem. Well, this one looks somewhat intimidating, but it's not. The shaded region in the graph below represents a solution set to which of the following systems of inequalities? Let's see here. It's kind of difficult since you're in a circle. That makes it kind of weird, doesn't it? The fact that you're in a circle makes it kind of funny. But we're shaded below the line. So we want to be less than the x minus 2. All right? This is just crap, by the way. So I basically just by looking at that symbolism on a line narrowed it down to 50-50. Now, this is kind of funny right here, the shading of the circle. That is kind of funny. I haven't done one of those in a long time. The question is, are you going to be greater than 9 or less than 9? Now my hunch says greater than. That's what my hunch says. I'm actually going to go with it. But greater than that. That should be right. Now, let's play with something on a TI-84 real quick. You can actually draw a circle on a TI-84 if you know how to do it. Y1 would be 2 plus the square root of 9 minus x minus 1 to the second, then 2 minus the square root. What I'm doing is I'm solving these equations for y. Maybe you get what I'm doing, maybe you don't. Sit there and think about it if you don't. But I'm solving this for y. Okay, I took this equation, solved it for y. And the other one is negative x by zoom 6. I've got something else in here too, don't I? Got my square. Actually do a zoom square to make it look more circular. And let's see here, if I remember right, you can do shading. Let's see, that is under what? It's been forever. Maybe second program. Well, there used to be a way, let's see, let's go to apps. Inequalities. All right. I want to be greater than 9. It'll be a less than symbol. F. So it looks to me, what I think about here is I think about moving all this stuff over. Y greater than 9 minus x minus 1 squared. That would be that one. And this one is the less than symbol, y less than the root of 9 minus x minus 1 squared. A less than symbol shades outside. And I had to check this because I hadn't done it for so long. But a greater than symbol should shade the interior. Oh yeah, we have the whole plus or minus thing, which is throwing off too. But it's a greater than symbol because you're going to be above the circle. I don't know why I spent all that time checking it algebraically, but you're above the circle. See? So anyways, needed a greater than symbol. Sorry I wasted so much time on that. 47, only 10th, 11th, and 12th grade students attend Washington High School. The ratio of 10th graders to the school's total population is 86 to 255. So that means we have a school population. Oh, I skipped this one. I don't know why I skipped that one. Oops. So 4 over root 2 plus 2 over root 3. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to unify the denominator, which means you would multiply, obviously, this guy by root 3, and you would obviously multiply the other guy by root 2, because that would give you a common denominator of root 6. So 4 times root 3 is 4 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So I'm looking for 4 root 3 plus 2 root 2, both over root 6. It's choice G. Now, you know, on the ACT, you have a TI-84 at your disposal. So you take 4 divided by root 2 plus 2 divided by root 3. You press enter, and then you look for the decimal equivalent. Let's see, math number, which is 4 root 3 plus 2 root 2 over 6, or perfectly not. Oh, that's just funky. Did I mess up something when I typed in the original problem? 4 root 3, oh, I messed it up right there. I didn't put that over a radical, did I? Anyways, decimals match. Anyways, back to the word problem. Only 10th, 11th, and 12th grade students attend Washington High School. Let's see here. There's a total population of 255. There are 86 10th graders. The ratio of 11th graders to the school's total population is 18 to 51. All right, so I'm going to 5 both these pieces because that'll turn this into a 255. And if I 5 18, 50, 90. They just reduced the fractions, all they did. There are 90 11th graders. And there are 86 tenths. If one student is chosen at random, which grade is that student most likely to be in? 10th, 11th, and 12th. Well, the odds of being 12th are slim to none. I say that because there's fewer 12th graders than anything on any given year. A lot of kids just drop out. But I don't know if they actually give you enough information. They told you the 11th grade ratio, they told you the 10th grade ratio, and they didn't really tell you what else was going on. But we have what, 176 out of 255, right? It's kind of what it looks like. which means there's not a whole lot of kids left. There's only, what, 55 and 24, 69 kids left, 79 kids left. So it's going to have to be 11th graders because there's just not enough freshmen and sophomores. There actually is enough information to tell. It is that. So there's 4 more, and I got to go back to a meeting, but I got all the ACT stuff done today, which is good. Hopefully they'll give me a little more time. I've got an in-service this afternoon. I won't even be here, so I can't do any more this afternoon, but maybe I'll get some more morning time.